Estetica has done something really fun, and I am so excited to tell you about it. They have launched two of their most popular styles, Avalon and Mellow. Both of these are regular synthetic styles, but they have launched them in two really fun colors that are actually heat friendly. So you can get both styles in either polarizing pink or Cinder heat. Let's talk about that. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wigs Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm here on behalf of Chiquel to tell you about this really cool thing that Estetica has done. And could not be more excited about this because I personally love heat-friendly fibers, and I wish that they would actually make both of these wigs in a heat-friendly fiber version in all the colors because these are really, really cute styles, and that would just make this wig wearer right here so happy. First of all, though, Chiquel is an online retailer that carries all the major name brands, but they also have some in-person wig shops in Canada, in the US, and you can purchase from them anywhere in the world. They are wonderful. They have a lot of options, a lot of huge sales and great discounts. Definitely check them out. And they have both of these. So if you want to know more, I'll put a link in the description box below, as well as a coupon code that will save you money. Well, I have Avalon on my head in the color Polarizing Pink, and I will show you these colors outside. This is going to be hard to pick up in here because of all the lighting on me, and it tends to wash out, especially as I get closer to the lighting in my camera. So we will go outside, but basically you can get either one of these styles in these two colors. If you were to purchase them in these colors, they will come in heat-friendly fibers. If you get any of their other colors, those are regular synthetic. So do keep that in mind. And I'm sure most people, a lot of women don't wear the fashion colors, so I don't know that that's such a big deal. But just so that you know, it's a very beautiful, it's a platinum. We've basically got an icy platinum blonde base. There's a soft rose blend with some soft pinkish undertones. I mean, there's like definitely pink in here. And then we do have a medium brown root. This root looks blonde to me. It looks yellow blonde to me. Warm blonde. So it is rooted, but the root sort of leans into the blonde, almost like a gray blonde. Not really a brown, in my opinion. It doesn't look that way to me. So just this icy, soft, pinky white, just beautiful. And in case you've never seen Avalon before, so basically Avalon is a synthetic wig. Again, these are heat-friendly fibers, but all the other colors besides these fashion colors are regular synthetic with a left mono part, and then we've got a lace front that goes temple to temple, not extended. We do have an extended nape, hook adjusters, and the rest is open wefted. Something to keep in mind about Avalon: she does have permatease and a beautiful curl pattern. So both of these wigs actually have a fair amount of permatease. So they have a volume, quite a bit of volume, quite a bit of permatease, this beautiful wave pattern. I have combed through this one. If you were to purchase this and get it out of the box, it's going to have very defined curls, and you can choose whether to comb with a comb or finger comb. Finger combing won't break up the curl pattern quite as much. But if you don't like volume, if you don't like permatease, this has got a lot of permatease all throughout the whole cap. Back, top, except for where the monofilament is, sides here. It absolutely has a lot of permatease. So you're getting a wig with a fullness to it that not everybody loves, but some people love. And I actually do not see wigs these days come with quite this level of permatease and fullness. It seems like a lot of the companies have kind of gone away from that. So if you've been struggling to find yourself a nice full wavy piece, this one could be it for you. And again, remember, other colors are going to be regular synthetic. And of course you can style. You can put it up in clips. This has enough length that you can put it in a ponytail. You can put it in a claw clip and do a little bit of an updo. You can do a half up, half down. So you definitely have styling options with this one, but it isn't flat. by any stretch of the imagination. Now, Mellow has a very similar, or basically the same cap type. So again, we've got the left monopart, temple to temple, so not extended lace. The rest is open wefted. Mellow is so popular. I love Mellow. I have reviewed Mellow in the past. I'm not sure if I've reviewed Avalon in a really long time. Like, we're talking years and years. Mellow, on the other hand, I think I just recently reviewed not that long ago. And Mellow is so fun. Just sassy. Very heavily layered. Almost a shag. Or maybe you would consider this a shag. Very slight wave. Not wavy, but some of the layers have a wave to them. Whereas the front here does not. That is how Mellow comes. Should probably comb through her a little bit since I just threw her on my head. She is a messy look kind of piece, a throw and go bed head. Maybe you use some styling cream to really piece it out, and you could do that. You could use something like John Renault Piece Out Cream to really piece it out. She also has quite a bit of permatease all throughout, so she's very full up here. Which, for me personally, I have my days when I really want that, and you can see my gray right here. That's not part of Mellow. That's my bio hair. I have my days when I do actually want a fullness to my wigs. And then there are days when I'm in the mood for maybe a wig like this, but I don't want the fullness. I have styled Mellow a ton of different ways. I think in my other review of Mellow, and I'll go look for that and link it below if I'm remembering correctly, but I think I showed some pictures from a few years ago. I used to style my Mellow, I had this in a different color. I used to style it in headbands like this. When I put a headband on and then I tuck the hair, I like to fluff up all of the layers behind the headband, but you wouldn't have to. But to me, when I have a wig that's really poofy and full, and maybe it's a day I don't really want that, this is my solution. I just throw a cloth headband on with it and it just tames it. And I think the cut on Mellow lends itself to headband styling beautifully. And I have even worn my Mellow with a headband, and then I put a low ponytail in the back. And I let some of the layers kind of spill down out of here because we have so many. And I've worn Mellow that way in the summer. So great if it's really hot outside. So you've still got a beautiful wig, but there's lots and lots of different ways that you can style it and wear it. Now this color Cinder Heat, again, special launch. I don't know how long it'll be around, and it comes in the heat-friendly fibers versus the regular synthetic. So this is basically how they describe it, as a reddish brown with smoked, let me do that again, reddish brown smoked copper blend with soft amber highlights and chestnut brown root. Here's what I see. I see pink right here. That is 100% pink in person, no matter how it's coming across on the screen. There are a couple of bold highlights like that. It is not pink all the way through. And then we've got this kind of smoky, reddish, almost a pinky reddish color, a rusty pink almost. It's hard to describe. So the only real pink are a few of these highlights. The rest of this is just a unique color. It's like a soft, powdery copper. It's not bold and in your face. It's not bright, bright red, but it is absolutely a fashion statement. And then we do have a darker root. This root to me does look chestnut. So whereas the other one was described as having a brownish root, that does not look brown to me. It looks more blonde and it's kind of grayish. This is more of the chestnut brown. And it's soft, a soft powdery brown. It's not a super bold, dark, in-your-face brown. It's really fun and unique. I've never seen a color like this. We'll get outside so you can see this color outside. I was just excited to tell you guys that Estetica has done something fun. And if you love Mellow, and I know a lot of you do, and you would have fun with a fashion color, you can get one of your favorite styles in one of these colors, and then sometime when you're feeling a little saucy, you can wear your fun color. Let me know if you have questions. Don't forget about Chiquel. Let's take a look at these outside. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Here is Cinder heat outside. I want you to take a look at the little bits of pink. It sort of reminds me of an Ellen Villa color called Rosewood Rooted, which I haven't seen in probably 5 years, but it's just gorgeous. You know, I really don't wear fashion colors a whole lot. I really think I could wear this one though and not feel like I stand out. She's fresh out of the box, you guys, so don't mind this. I haven't played with her yet. Oh, beautiful. And here is the stunning polarizing pink outside. So pretty. Just the most gorgeously soft pastel pink. It's always fun to get to try some of these fashion colors sometimes. Obviously, you can find this one in other colors, but she's really pretty, really fun. One more look at that root. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.